guys, back with another video. Today is going to be a kind of weird kind of video. So it's going to be kind of like a 2-minute video. It's going to be pretty quick. Okay, so I have a question, guys. So I'm almost at 60 subscribers. So you know what? Maybe this will help. Maybe get content. Probably not, but you know what? Who cares? So everyone, go in the comments, please, if you want to. Just go in the comments and put like a dare I should do, and then it's not gonna be in person, but like a Roblox dare, or like a, or maybe have some suggestions, whatever the fuck that's called. In the comments, like what I should do now. Like, should I post Fortnite? Like maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I could do some other stuff. If you guys want to, just comment some stuff and I will do it. Like, I'm gonna pick 5. I'm gonna pick 5. And yeah, just let me know. Subscribe and like, and yeah, just let me know.